What's up, guys? It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and I'm coming to you live from my truck. So, sorry I've been kind of, what do you call it? Just kind of not really interacting much on YouTube or social media and stuff like that. It's been really tough. If you remember at all, a couple weeks back, I got laid off from work. So right now, thank goodness, I am working Lyft in the mornings, doing rideshare, and also delivering orders for places like DoorDash and Uber Eats, and I signed up for Postmates, so I'm doing deliveries. I am making money, which is not bad, but I'd rather be doing my drone stuff. I am working on my recurrency test, so I go to take that on the 18th. So I'm studying hard for that, even though it's pretty basic knowledge. I should remember most of it, but I'm just doing like basically refreshers. So that'll help, and I'm going to try and sign up again for like Dronebase and Droners.io and some of the other contract places that help you do drone work, because that's ultimately what I want to do. Is I want to do drone work, whether it's FPV or whatever, I don't care. I just want to be able to fly. That's my passion. That's what I really love to do. So trying not to go back to the IT, but it's been stressful, a little bit of a depression, and definitely I'm getting burnt out for sure. Not burnt out because of FPV or YouTube or flying or anything like that. It's just the opposite. I'm getting burnt out on, just, worrying about, money, worrying about where that's coming from. We're doing okay right now, so that's a good thing. So we don't have to worry about that. With all the deliveries and stuff like that, that is definitely helping. So it's more nerve-wracking because I'm used to a regular like 9-to-5 job where I had that safety net and I had that comfort that I had a full-time job, and now I don't have that full-time job, and now I'm kind of just doing contract freelance work, and it's scary. It's really, really scary. I'm not used to this at all. The last time I got laid off from a job was probably well over 15 years ago, when I used to work for another company called American Express, and it was a reduction in work, same thing basically. So it's been tough. It's been a tough transition, but I'm gonna make it work. So I apologize. I've been kind of skipping out on YouTube and not really paying attention to it and things like that. But I'm getting a schedule together with the ride sharing and the delivery and stuff like that. So that way I can focus a spot of time just on my YouTube and FPV, so I can get out and at least try and fly a few times a week. I haven't flown since Saturday. I went out and I raced up in LaPorte, if you guys seen that video. So that was fun. I really enjoyed that a lot. But I really want to just get out, during the day when people are working and stuff like that, just fly and make videos and stuff like that, daily vlogs. So in the meantime, I am starting a second channel. At least I'm going to try and start a second channel, all about doing rideshare and delivery and stuff like that. So if you guys are interested in learning about that, or want to watch my daily little vlog things that I'm going to be making, my day-to-day kind of like life, you're more than welcome to hop over and check it out if you want. You don't have to, but I'll leave a link down below for that channel. It's just starting out. I think I've got like a couple videos up right now, and that's it. So just a quick update, but yeah, so I apologize for not making more videos and things like that. It's just been really stressful, and I'm just getting burnt out. Like I said, not on FPV, not on YouTube. Getting burnt out on just surviving. It's really hard being an independent contractor, freelancer, whatever you want to call me, making money and doing all these side hustles. I'm also trying to start. Somebody get into an accident? That was weird. Oh, okay, maybe it's the trash guy. So anyway, I'm also trying to do like a 3D printing on-demand service. So I have my 3D printer. I'm going to get another 3D printer so that way I can do twice as many prints. So I'm trying that as well. I'm trying anything I can not to go back into doing IT work, because as much as I needed that job, I hated that job. I hated going there every day. I liked the people I worked with. It was not that. It was just the job itself. I hated doing that job. It's because I wasn't passionate about it. So really, all I was doing was going in and making a check weekly. That's it. I was going in for the check. And I'm kind of glad that they laid me off, because it really made me put all my focus back into the channel and doing what I'm passionate about and what I love about. And the sprinkler's about to come on, so I hope it doesn't go into my car. So, but anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. Thank you for supporting the channel. I am restarting the Patreon up, so if you want to support the channel, you're more than welcome to. You don't have to. I'll put a link down in the description. Check it out if you want. I'm working on some things that for Patreon, or for patrons. I'll start probably putting up, I'm trying to block that light, there we go. I'll start doing some giveaways, something extra for the Patreons, or for the patrons. I'm trying to design like a little keychain, a monkey keychain. I'm trying to think of some things I can do for supporters of the channel that I wouldn't normally do for the YouTube channel, something special for them. So keep an eye on that, check that out. If you want to support channel, you can, don't have to. So, but thank you guys for everything. Thank you for supporting my channel as always. Thank you for watching my videos. And in the meantime, guys, while we're waiting for the next video, please keep those drones up in the air, flying high, and I'll see you later. Look for the video of the new Dalprop 5043s that should be coming out later this week, hopefully by Friday. So, and thanks for hanging out, guys. I'll talk to you later.